here.
Hello.
I'm very fine. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
been here for a
I'm just taking videos.
it's been here for a long time now.
Before there was a robin who nested here last year.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh.
And now it's a
They
wild
like,
pigeon.
yeah, they like to come here.
Yeah, that's nice. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. It's very nice to see that birds are not afraid of people. Sometimes they nest on your front door. Hey, that bird is nesting over there. She doesn't seem to mind me when I'm taking pictures or video for that matter. Selfie, selfie. They are all grown up and ready to face the world, the challenges of life. If you want to see more of these beautiful, lovely birds, please stop using your favorite toy, the tirador. It's lovely to wake up in the morning and hearing those lovely birds singing. What a joyful moment. I would love to hear this rather than this.
Hindi maganda kapag walang ibon sa kapaligiran. It's up to us, Aknayab. Thank you for watching.